Hey guys, so I'm back with my kayak. If you notice, this kayak is not a fishing kayak, and I learned it the hard way when I went fishing and I dropped my rod in the water. And when I took it out, I used it for a little bit more, and then it got the reel got tough. So now I'm gonna put this Scotty mount to make it a fishing kayak. I still need a lot more things to make it a fishing kayak. And right now I'm gonna drill a couple of pilot holes, and then I'm gonna hit it with this drill bit. Stop, kitty. No, I don't want to play. Reverse. So what this does is when you put the screw in, this squeezes upwards, the rubber piece, and it makes a seal. So when I put this here, and then I put this, no water would get in there, right, kitty? I know. Isn't that awesome? All right, let me show you real quick. There it is. Last one is this one right there. Which I can't see the thing. Oh, there it is. I'm like, oh my god, please don't tell me that it fell in. But it's no, it's directly there. I was like, did I do a terrible job? Last one. And that's it squeezing. You can hear it. Okay, tighten this one up. Okay, last one. And let me see if this one did it. Yep. So there you go. So all I need to do is get my Scotty rod holder. I have it in my car and just set it up there. I could put two of them here. The other one on the other side right over there. I will need to order more of these and find out what happened to the rest of them. But these things are awesome. I like them. I think it's 38, I think it is. Or 3/8. I think that's what it is. Yeah, there it is. So what I do is make a little pilot hole first and then do it with this. Because last time I did it with this on the other kayak, it moved and it went to the side. So it's a little bit easier if you get a smaller drill bit and then do it with this one. So there you go. Now it's coming together as a fishing kayak. Alright guys, have a great one. Bye. Say bye, kitty. Psst, psst. Alright.